Welcome family, right now I'll give you something from mommy's kitchen. What's this going on? Explain this to my mommy.
We have pumpkin. It have it's high in fiber. Very good for the eyes. Children have good for the eyes, good for the pressure. Brussels sprouts, steam for only 5 minutes, and that is good to reduce the cholesterol. And that is curry pargi. Pargi comes straight from the sea, not frozen, and without pesticide or chemical.
Wow, you're really serious about every single part of this meal. Who inspired to eat the chocha sauce without putting it in soup?
Well, my sister,
Mm-hmm. She said clear up her eyes?
they help to clear up our eyes, the chocha and the pumpkin.
Okay.
And the Brussels sprouts, you steam it for 5 minutes, and that helps with the reducing cholesterol.
No, the fish. What do you have seasoning on it? What do you have on it?
Oh, I curry it. I don't use the only thing I use on it is curry, garlic powder, not garlic salt. And that's it. Then I cut onion and beet and garlic powder. Onion and garlic powder and curry.
Wicked. You just have to let me see have a juice. What you have? Juice on your too?
Okay, here's the juice. This is Swiss chard that reduces
Swiss chard?
which reduces your blood sugar immediately.
Yeah.
This is cilantro. 1 cup chopper. This you eat it remove mercury from your body immediately.
Mm-hmm.
This is purple kale, high in antioxidant for your iron for your system. This is parsley, which is high in iron, very good for the heart. So this is all that is making up this drink.
So you drink a green juice every day?
You're supposed to drink a green juice every day to clean your body. It's the plant blood. So what the plant blood does is clean your body.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of buying processed things and drink it, you can, if you put it through a juicer, you get the straight plant blood, but you can add some filtered water, not tap water, not
rainwater.
well. If you catch, you have to let the rain fall long and then you catch the
Really,
water.
Ma? You really gotta put rainwater in your juice?
No, not rainwater in America. Rainwater in the Caribbean.
And what does the rainwater have in there? God come from the sky?
No, because in America there's too much pollution in the air.
Mm-hmm.
So if you catch the water in Jamaica or Trinidad or Guyana,
Just
it's
ship it
cleaner
come.
because the rainwater there is purified by the forestry, and so we must make sure we maintain the forestry and don't let the government cut them down.
Alright,
and
let's
sell
stay
them to
on
court.
top, because we don't want to get to the politician right now, politicking. We're talking about the green. The green you look nice. What your name again?
Swiss chard, very
How much you
good.
pay for this?
We'd have to go check the
Swiss chard.
Mm-hmm.
Them not grow this in Jamaica.
Well, we can get the seeds to Jamaica, but I grow it here.
You grow this yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Did you reap this one or you purchased this one?
Purchase this one. It's not.
And this right here is
is the cilantro.
cilantro, and this here is
Purple kale.
purple kale. So this is your green juice for the
And
day.
this is
You put sugar in the green juice or honey,
No,
nothing, just green.
No, green juice. You can put apple in there, and I put blueberries.
How old are
and
you?
apple. How old am I?
Mm-hmm.
I'm almost 66 years old.
So you say you want to talk about your locks next show?
Yeah, I'm going to teach them how to take care of them locks and come off of the falls here.
Okay, so you're gonna you're gonna set Jamaican woman straight
Yeah.
in her health and everything.
Yeah, man.
All right, Jamaican ladies and men. So my mother, it's a privilege. She says she won't go up on my show now, but me have to convince her. So it's a good thing to teach the people. And thank you so much for your time. This looks great. What we are gonna do tomorrow? What do you think you're gonna make up for them?
Tomorrow I'm going to work.
All right, thank you. Anything you want to say to bless them for the end?
Well, just blessing, just realize that Psalm 19 said the earth is the Lord. So the heavens declare the glory of God. So all them greens and all them things is God's glory. So when you see them, you see the glory of God.
Wow, mommy, you're big time, greens lady. Blessings and love. Family on a lucky, so me do this for no, on a lucky. Love.